In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude mobile app placements from Performance Max campaigns in Google Ads. This is a crucial step if you want to ensure that your ads are displayed in the most relevant places, avoiding unnecessary spends on non-ideal platforms. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to start by accessing your Google Ads account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. If you're not already logged in, the first thing you'll see is the option to sign in. You can do this using your Google account credentials, so go ahead and click on the sign in button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your advertising campaigns and data. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to look for the tab labeled Campaigns. By clicking on this tab, you'll get a full view of all the campaigns that you're currently running. It's here that we'll start refining where your ads are shown. Next, in the same left-hand menu, locate the option that says Audiences, Keywords and Content. Clicking on this will expand a new set of categories which includes content. Here is where you'll hone in on controlling the placements for your ads. Ensure you choose content to bring up another set of detailed options. Now that you're in the content section, it's time to focus on exclusions. You'll need to find the option that allows you to edit exclusions. This step is important because it lets you control where exactly your ads shouldn't appear. Click on Edit Exclusions to open up a list of finer controls. This feature allows you to pinpoint categories, platforms, or apps where you don't want your ad to be served, most notably unnecessary mobile app placements that don't align with your campaign's goals. At this point, you should be looking at a list where you can manage these placement exclusions. Click on Account, which provides a broader scope, suitable for making changes that affect your overall advertising strategy rather than just a single campaign. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Selecting apps allows you to specify mobile applications where your ads will be excluded, preventing them from showing and potentially wasting your budget on low engagement locations. And there you have it, a quick walkthrough on how to refine your Google Ads strategy by excluding mobile app placements from your Performance Max campaigns. By following these steps, you ensure your advertising budget is spent efficiently and effectively, targeting the most valuable segments for your business objectives. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Thanks for watching.